Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC mentakasi ka khandru trek unai lur klap liang so bhai kisan ngut kiru paukhmat kacela ki balawan man pnieso eladi sa party Congress kumsi bentawan penkre ka election MLA na kabentaw nam arhajar arpulai ya kani ke jelang ban priang buram lapenlong ha hega hotel ha ka jidon lang rengkat ki MLA bat MDC ka party Congress bat kumju ru kinongkit kam ba khmat e jong ka party Congress kumuba Vincent H Palab Dr Celestine Lingdo bat kiwedi kini kisan ngut kentup uba RG Lingdo uba PNCM uba Mosjo Wanswet nak thancela uba Andren Meliam nak thanjinang kumju ru ka Dr Fenala el nonglai kinongkan haba ajingran ha kani kasni kilapan pau ba kani kasni ba menta kadai kasni jong ka jingsnang nak menta usnam arajar apulai ha ka ba kilapan pau ha ka election usnam arajar pulai kan sadai sa kapali jong kongres bukanwan biang ha ka bor kajuan phai biang sa kongres kadai nawat bakani ka parti kadoni kinoi lam basyamphang bat ki bastat bat lengba ka jinglong jingman hapo ka jala kilati kina ba ka seng kongres kan job bon biang ki kertong ha election arajar pulai henry ki hap bat senge pat ya ka jinga tan telai iwe pat hapo ka parti ban penting na ban long teli lang kawai
muffler the party muffler party muffler and the bouquet from the Mahilas. Party muffler.
Ya, ini ikut pok yang ni, beli nang don rengkat berpi, ban ni scam bagajing don rengkat jumpi ban penyesok berkapat. Hangai dengan siam iba RG Lengdo apa iba PNCM kimdi kinong way hani. Idei hiki joko kongres nadu mensuah kibala serve have different capacity ke berpi piladan. Pila contribute sibun nak benta ke jela nak bagi pajak jong gedong katang gitu ni. Ini scam gajing wandian ke jong pi kan lo gajing mentoi nam tak. Nadu senam kat praspa propusan belaseng yang Indian National Congress. Gajing yang lenti jong keseng gajing ilamat pun gajing kiu gajing hiar. Gijingnya kun, gijingnya dung, gijingnya susi. Hendai kum ke family, kum ke yang kesem yang haduk mentar. Mana kejelang ke jogi mentar. Wan lagi don hapok ke opposition mendala ke deh ke legislative assembly nak ke deh hapok district council. Dengi bersang bandera ai ke sur jong pat pak na ke bentar ke jing mentoi jogi babun ke bala. Kum ke seng ngingit sekian. Bat ni kwa. Bakum ginong yalam ki barim ki jogi ki belalik. Nadu Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, kiwi kiru krau, kijong keseng kijong ni, kibala penila lagi jong ki mati, kibala ino sedien, ya kita kisin ki kamba bahagi berkiki nade, ngai scam bagai ngai juk kijong ki mentaro, hinang lakan mereka.
Ya kan mau ya bagi kentian jong wegu actor, hakapor bau yo ya ka Oscar Award. Bon kilek ban shim ya ka award ban grand ban lecture lai pajai utau waktu ulai jan upek ya kata ka award ura ya ka uang tang kau iketin nobody stay on top forever. Thank you uang ban shom no and that is Charles Bronson, the Magnificent Seven bang itu di hang niru ngim shong ben sa kan sopoi kapor bangin sa shong syuki bagin supaya ke syuki waktu menungin syam ni ke balajian ngalaong ba we are the victim of supremacy, they reign supreme and you are the victim kecengka ni ke balajian ka government kecengin mentah nadu aku por bagi simti yang sokar lai penai hadian bagi simti yang sokar wara jaga tra kami ke kendram ke tem motor sorka ke thung ya ke HPC but soon ki ong lai benangin ai ka juba lai senam sitang yang badio juba ngam don komen ngam jep gitu kamba bun ki belajar ada minyo tang ki tham tu kata but ngai ni yaki leader ki jogi ke belajar po assembly menen hadian bana kalian jong speaker Ailat banyak debate dan banyak discuss ya ka tu issue ha keluar ke jing suspend jong itu ki police officer Kiba involved lah kata kecing syak penyap no jumpa ceris. Kiba ni ya kata kecing teli. Om tang para kongres dia teli bat kejat benriu jungi. Balai banyu rot ya kahok. kumno ai ka hok kan mi sibar ka jik bisa ka dei upai ba undai mangama phi ban bisa upai ba bisa. Every 5 years we have to knock the door and ask them, can I come in? Then the poor and spoil menta. Kani kani ka family jogi ka congress ngi long kumne. Shabar ngila punya shop, shabar ngila punya dat, ngila punya kurang. Henry haye. Hakaman ime, hakaman ipa. Ngilong keju betul kasna. Kau meju ong ipa lapang mesyua. Ngila punya kun, ngila punya shop tangpa. We will not burn down our own house. Ngi kira kata. Dia nak bentak ini ki perlu ki badangwan bangi. Kiwan ban ser, kiwan ban syakri, kiwan ban yatre. Om disuwan tang ban penyeso elade. Ngi kimi nanti ba nak ini ki bawan. Basa kiweri ki badanggon ki ban sawan. They are still in the pipeline. But kajing trai sitom. Jong President Dr. Celestine Lindo akan ki poy ki beladap. Ngili I ki so ki bengayo ban ken. He lost his election. Namar hak tu kapor don porshu ilo jong let's say namar ba kumu president they mentah jungwan jong iba bensen palang ikmil tiba things will change
Aljar Ibrahim January February jadi kapor telang bagadan haye apokse wan amut kiriyo romba jongka parti jongi and kila ongi nga baca kreno pihak le lo sorga jongi le yu tong ambil kun emeli tong apa ngali kamu tong pot posnya yu pot berung kali kamu tik si ba silindo ba David lingwi mampai dua rupiah ini kiba penseluruh but hado ko kilibmat ka pamentaru ngalane sa hakani ka party congress but ng kemensi kadaya hakani ka janmi pamintang lai kindubian but long si yeng si sen they with a heart filled with joy I welcome you all to this beautiful party of us that will stand the test of time for all the years to come. I kajin ko play you people, but play la. One rules ka party jogi when pin climb skem shushu yaw to day kita long president juga Riboy district. Once again, Dr. Celestine Lindo, we can't forget your services that you have given to the party and the day you will be handing over to the President-elect. May God be with you and your family, and we pray that your future in this party will continue to grow in the years to come.
Then why you are joining Congress party? You remember in Manipur they get 28 but they could not form the government. I told them we'll get 35. We'll get 35 because we have no problem. If you work collectively, responsibility, because united we stand, divided we fall. Point, as no talk about a Congress party ke jongi, nang ni sakmal so many challenges bang yapan face. Ban same, yaga state, naga presence, bad situations. Financial situation is very bad. Law and order is very bad. Because under the leadership of the newly appointed president, next Kambao Ilapan Poya top. But Kumbangalaong, anong kaya sibon kaya, nasukumen sibon, ba preso bah yang ini sangat, kajuan Thai yang kajongi, panahon maybe bagi sukumen, but people ban priyangi. Thank you so much for your for this homecoming welcome programs yang ini sangat. Barna penpau ka jus ko ngu ya kam tam ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee haga bagi nanga haga bagi lapeng subhai ni haga janmet padalong ka jing kemen yang i har mar ko bon ki kam ke bagi ban tundap nang ne sakangat ngai skamba inanga ay ka ban telang rengkat.
I have to thank Ma Vincent who came and convinced me that it is time that I should come home. Actually, I never strayed anywhere. I was always with the Congress, but you can say I was a silent partner. Now I'll be a more vocal partner, more active partner. And one of the reasons, perhaps, that besides Marvinson's coming and Ampreen and my siblings pushing me, is seeing what is really happening in the capital and across the state. The amount of misgovernance that is happening and the way our people are suffering, prompted me to take a more active role. I feel that today the advantage in 2023 is with us. It is definitely with us. But will we be able to take advantage of this advantage, or will we throw it away like throwing the baby with the dish water? I think that is something that we have to do a lot of soul searching and thinking about. One of the reasons why perhaps this party doesn't have a second line of command, so to say, is because whoever is in command is more interested in getting rid of the competition than in encouraging the second line of command. Let's call a spade a spade. I think when Marvinson came and talked to me, I could see that at least here is a team player. A man who will consult, a man who will work with others. And I think that is what we need in order to sweep 2023. I firmly believe that we can get absolute majority in 2023. But we have to stop pulling the carpets from each other's feet, and we have to work together as a team. Support each other, help each other, and remember that we are here not for power, not for glory. We are here for the people. Especially after having won, we have to remember that we should build bridges to the people, not walls. That is very, very important. And if we can do that, nobody, believe me, can bring down the Congress again.